We'll print two prints at the same time, so it's twice as fast. Right now we're printing 8 rotary symbols for the Rotary Club that I'm a member of. And what's neat about this is it can print a left and a right. It can do a mirrored image.
Oh, okay.
So for the shoe industry, we do a left insole, right insole at the same time. It can print any material that. It can print carbon fiber, nylon carbon fiber. It can print TPU. It's all direct drive. They've got camera systems inside. It's got a filtration system, so we use these in libraries and schools.
How about AI built in where if the filament starts running or something happens, it stop itself?
If it runs out of filament, it stops itself and will restart when you add new filament in. It does not send you a text or anything like that if you have a problem with the print.
The OctiPrint has that AI built in now that you can do. So if it starts seeing that it's becoming spaghetti, it'll text you, email you.
Yeah, this doesn't do that.
Not yet, huh? Not yet. The next version probably, huh? But this thing is really neat. I like it. The size of it. For media production and other productions, fast production, is there like a feeding trade or anything like that?
No, so you've got the rolls of filament are on the side and they feed in. Okay.